You might not believe it, but everything you are about to see was created using one command, one AI chat, and one product image.
Person right now.
More than 80% of companies now use AI in marketing for visuals, UGC, commercials, and more. But standing out takes more than random content. It takes strategy. Instead of guessing what to create, you need a system that understands your niche, finds trends, plans content, and keeps your marketing running automatically. That's exactly what Higgsfield MCP does. Hi, I'm Aditya Kachave, and today I'm going to show you how I created a full AI content workflow for AK Energy Drink. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to set up the MCP connector. For that, I'll go to the Higgsfield website and open the MCP and CLI section. Here, I'll copy the connector link. Now I'll open Claude or whichever AI agent I'm using. Inside Claude, I'll go to Settings, then open the Connectors tab. This is where we can connect Claude to external tools. Now I'll click Add Custom Connector and paste the MCP connector link I copied. I'll name it Higgsfield and click Add. Once that's done, Claude can directly talk to Higgsfield. That means it can generate images, videos, choose avatars, pull previous generations, and create content, all without leaving the chat window. But before we start creating anything, we need to upload the custom content factory skill. I've added the download link in the video description, so make sure to download it first and keep it ready. This skill is basically the brain of the workflow. It tells Claude what to do, in which order, and at what stage. So now I'll go to Customize, then Skills, click the plus button and choose Create Skill. Here, I'll upload the Content Factory skill file. Once the skill is uploaded, the system is ready. Now we have two things connected, the MCP connector, which creates the content, and the skill, which controls the full process. Now I'll start the workflow by invoking the skill. Inside the chat, I'll type the command for the Content Factory skill and hit enter. Now it starts asking me a few setup questions. First, it asks whether the MCP is connected. I'll select yes. Then it asks where we want to start. I'll choose stage 1 because I want to build the campaign from scratch. Next, it asks how many videos we want to create, so we will choose 100 videos for this campaign. Now it asks for the product URL or product image. Here, I'm uploading the energy drink product image. Once I hit send, the product onboarding is complete. Now the AI understands the product, the logo, the packaging, and the brand direction. Now we move to stage 1, which is research. The AI starts pulling live data from the internet. It looks at platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and other social content sources to understand what's currently working in the energy drink and performance beverage space. It studies viral hooks, trending formats, competitor ads, creator styles, and content patterns. After that, it creates a viral content brief. This brief includes trending content angles, competitor references, hook patterns, UGC formats, scene ideas, and content opportunities for our energy drink. The goal here is not to create random content. The goal is to understand what kind of content can actually get attention and convert. Next is stage 2, the content plan. Here, the AI takes the research and turns it into a production calendar. It creates a structured plan with different video formats, hooks, settings, and scene descriptions. For our product, the formats can include street interviews, product reviews, office productivity routines, gym performance videos, creator reactions, and ASMR product shots. Each idea comes with a specific hook, video style, duration, caption direction, and product placement. So instead of manually writing every single video idea, the AI gives us a proper production document. This is something we can directly use to generate content. Now we move to stage 3 and generate some videos, and this is where the actual videos get created. The best part is that the system does not generate everything blindly. Before every batch, it asks for permission, so I stay in control and my credits do not get wasted. I'll approve for the first 3 videos. Now the AI starts generating UGC-style videos for our energy drink. The content is created using the research and content plan from the previous stages. Let's see the results.
Wait, this is the AK energy drink? The can looks insane. Okay, I need this.
AK, the only reason I'm a functioning person right now.
Okay, this one is really cool. I personally like this. Let's check some more now.
Leg day doesn't start until I crack one of these.
The lighting and color are so accurate and it looks so realistic and seems like it was shot on iPhone. Let's check few more.
Three hours of sleep and I'm locked in. AK at 3 a.m. just hits. My brain won't quit.
This is also pretty cool, to be honest. Once you have all the visuals, the skill plugs into the Meta MCP, which connects directly to Meta Ads. So once your videos and images are ready, you can upload them and even analyze what's performing the best to adjust your content. And that's what I call the future of marketing. Now let's move to the final stage and calculate how much would it cost me to make 100 UGC videos in real life. So let's give this prompt. And here is the answer. At industry mid rates, I am saving $78,912, which is 99.89% cost reduction, to produce the same 100 UGC videos through Higgsfield Marketing Studio, and the timeline collapses from 4 to 12 weeks of agency network production into roughly 3 hours of render time. So the AI already knows the right format, hook, setting, and product angle. And just like that, a complete visual system is ready in minutes with almost no effort. That's the full workflow: research, generate, plan, schedule, and review cost. Around 20 clicks, no prompts, no crew, no agency, no production team. Tell me what you want to see next in the comments and like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.